Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the stylish way to celebrate the Easter Festival 2022. Best collection, best selection for my viewers. It's a chance to enhance your abilities related to the most stylish and most colorful and Easter day. If you have any problem, if you have any question, then ask me in comment box. Easter decoration ideas, Easter beads designs, egg bead style, and unique ideas, latest updated new style. So thank you. Keep supporting, keep loving my ideas, my collection, my selection are so stunning, so adorable. So watch the video till the end. Don't go and enjoy my collection that upload on my YouTube channel on daily basis.